Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide groups on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, open Facebook here and go to this menu. And here you can see I have this group, Solutions Nerds. You can join that, and from here click on at right top corner. You can see this star type icon. Click on this, then go down here and search for settings. Click on settings, and here remember one thing: you cannot hide a public group. You must need to click on privacy and first make it private, and then click on next, and then click on something else, continue, and then continue anyway, and then change to private. Remember one thing, this group will be permanently become private in 3 days. After 3 days, come here, and here you can see hide group. Click on this, and at the top you can see public groups can only be visible. So make sure your group must be private, and then from here only member can find this group, and then enable this option and your group will be hidden. So this is the easy methods to follow and hide your group on Facebook. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.